my page or to my channel, depending on where you're seeing this from. This is going to be like a detailed tutorial, so that's why I'm like talking while doing this video. So for those who have always like, you're too fast, why not take it easy? This is a full, very full, you see, it's long wrapper, like the normal one you tie for women and all of that, same length. You can cut it that long. Then you're going to tie this. I'm going to tie this, just make a knot like this, like so. Okay, then you can choose to tie this before placing it on your head, or you place it before you tie it. Either ways, you're still good, but I would love to place it on my head before tying it. And so let's just watch and see what I want to do. I'm trying to be sure that it's the front of the scarf wrapper that I'm using, the scarf. So see, you flip it like this, and this is going to come on your head like this, like so, like this. Okay, see it, adjust it so that it won't look just bulky, but you're going to just make sure that it's appropriate. The goal is to ensure that there's enough scarf left in front. So what I'm saying now, there won't be enough for us to like wrap over. So I'm going to lose it and readjust it, because what we've created here seems to be a little too big. Okay, so just reduce it a little. Just reduce it. It was here initially, so instead of here, take your hand up a little and just create the knot here. Just reduce it a little, create the knot. If you have a rubber band, an extra band, sorry my dog, you have a rubber band and extra band, you can use it instead of struggling the way I'm struggling. So I didn't get an extra band closer, I just have one band here I want to use for the second step. So you just pull this out like this, or like so, and then check to be sure that you're actually using the right side of the wrapper. If you're using the scarf that is just one face, you see, place it on your head like this. So after placing it on your head, grab the edges well, then your band, rubber band, hair band, whatsoever band, you take it up. The secret about this is you can actually secure this before placing it on your head, especially if the wrapper or scarf is as big as this one that I'm using. So you can actually secure it, place it before putting it on your head. So do another one, because the band is a little weak. Let's secure it again like this. Let's pull it that. So right now I'm going to adjust back, pull it back, pull it back, pull it back, pull it back, pull the band, and make sure that the scarf is not feeling loose. You understand? Make it to be tight enough. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Let it be tight enough. So if it's well tied, all you need to do is to bring it to the side like this. Take it again this way. Make sure you arrange all the edges, because you want them to be equal. Bring it this way and pass it here. Pass it here. Pass it again like this. Even though this is like a detailed video, I wouldn't want for it to be too long, so let's just keep to time. So you pass it. Seems too loose. So after passing it, sorry, this is loose, so let me secure it into the two band. Okay, so just pass it into two of it. That way it will be a little tighter. So take it like this. And pass it in. Yep. Okay, so this is it. secure the side, the back. When you're done doing that, you have this left, smaller material or smaller piece of the scarf, and then you put it, secure it in or tuck it in, whichever way the English is correct. Still same thing. Take your time to arrange your fabric or your scarf very well. Squeeze this side again and then put it there, tuck it in again. Okay, I've already removed my jewelry, so you have jewelries, you rock it up with it, and then you have your scarf to go. Just do the finishing by adjusting the side, pull out, adjust the side. I don't want that Ankara line or something to show, so but if you're actually doing it or you want to style it out, just be sure that you arrange that part well or secure it. But if you're using Holland, you might want to showcase it and leave it. Okay, anyway, so that is it. We are done. Simple, beautiful. Sorry I took so much time, but that is it. And thank you for watching. You can watch the short video, watch the full video on my YouTube or any of my channels. And if you want more detailed video on hair wrap like this, stay tuned to this page, subscribe. Love you all.